So this is a CEC Georgian. Yes, painted blades. How nice. Something weird about this fan. As you can pull over here, very noise. So, trying to get it where y'all can hear it. Got really bad bearing noise. And I don't know how to cure that. I was gonna make a full video of this, but for some reason it wants to go the other way. It's just basically you'll see in a minute. You'll see in a minute. Oh my God, I'm so scared right now. There it goes. Oh my God, son of a bitch. That is so unreal. Let's see here. I think the fucking... No, the pin's still in there. I guess it is the bearings. Damn. Yeah. I got this at Goodwill for like $6.99, I think. And this poor thing, I think it needs a little bit of work. But I took all the wiring out of it, so I can't freaking run it now. I regret doing that now. So, and yeah, if y'all have any suggestions what I can do to this thing, please let me know. Oh, and on top is white too, so that's basically, and yeah, it wants to go the other way, so. And I'll show you another fan I got. It's a Litex something. It's got 5 blades, 42-inch, which is a small version. That's uncommon. But yeah, that's the next fan I got. But this thing, it might be going to someone soon. I don't know. I hate to get rid of it though. It's such a cool little fan. But yeah, that's basically it.